Mighty M is responding to the immediate need for equipment to disinfect a multitude of surfaces as quickly and efficiently as possible. The Mighty M pressure washer mister combination is a 1400 psi electric cold water pressure washer and a 350 psi mister in one unit as either a portable or hand carry model. This commercial grade unit comes complete with everything you need to use as either a pressure washer or mister. Each unit includes a 2-piece 36-inch lance and trigger gun, a misting gun with misting nozzle, a 75-foot 1/4-inch high-pressure hose with quick connects, 3 quick connect pressure washing nozzles, plus a quick connect misting nozzle for the 36-inch lance. To operate this unit in mister mode, follow these steps. Plug into a standard 120-volt outlet. Connect the blue high-pressure hose to the outlet of the pump. Next, attach a small section of garden hose, 10 foot or less, to the inlet of the pump. Place the other end of the garden hose into a 5-gallon bucket containing a disinfectant solution. You will need to purge air from the system since the mister is not being fed from a water source. To purge air from the system, turn the mister valve clockwise until fully closed. Place the high-pressure hose over the 5-gallon bucket and turn on the pressure washer. Once you have a steady flow of disinfectant through the hose, the air has been purged. This could take 2 to 3 minutes. Shut off the pressure washer. Now connect the misting gun to the high-pressure hose. Adjust the misting valve to the full open position by turning it counterclockwise. Turn the pressure washer on and position the gun over the bucket and squeeze the trigger. The mister is ready to operate.